didn't buy any ice. Got one? On the chatterbait?
Yeah, it is.
It's not a big one.
It's not a biggie, but it's not a biggie, but
Oh, you hit the camera. What's up? I'm on Lake Toho. I think Bob whacked my camera. I mean, not on Lake Toho. I'm on Lake
Panasoffkee. Your camera?
Yeah, I think so. I'm on Lake Panasoffkee. It's about 12 degrees out. I'm just kidding. It's 30. It's like 33 degrees, which is crazy cold for Florida. This is actually our second fish. I didn't even think about putting my cameras up. Bob caught one about 2 pounds a minute ago on a lipless, and Bob's been in a bunch of my videos, but his dad's the one that's the real fisherman, and he's here from Pennsylvania, and he brought all this cold weather down with him.
Yeah, I did.
He just caught his first one on a chatterbait with a white CPF lures wobbler on it. It is real cold. It was 80 something degrees like 3 days ago, and on Lake Toho the water was 82 degrees when I was done fishing. And then here we are a couple days later on Panasoffkee, and I'm pretty sure the water temperature was probably close to that, probably 78, 79, and now it's 60 degrees. So there's no deep water on this lake. So we're just making do, throwing lipless crankbaits. I got a spinnerbait. I missed one a minute ago. That was on a chatterbait.
Yeah.
And Bob caught one about 2 pounds on a lipless. So we're gonna see what these Florida bass do with the coldest weather we've had this whole year. Not just this winter. We didn't even have any days this cold last winter, or in the winter, last winter, January, February, March. So see what happens.
There's one.
Got one?
And he could be big.
Good one?
I think so, unless he's in grass. But he is pulling.
He's pulling pretty good, Bob. That's a good fish, I think.
See, I gotta take my glove off again.
Whoa.
Bob's making me take my glove off.
Oh boy,
Where's
that's
he
a
going?
dandy, Bob.
Decent.
Oh, that one?
He was pulling.
Open your mouth.
You might want to grab these things with the gloves on.
There we go.
Lake Pan Special.
What is that, a Spro?
That is the Spro.
Spro lipless. Bob's whacking them. Usually I'm happy when people catch fish, but it made me take my glove off.
You get him on that rattle trap?
Yeah.
That's a nice bass.
Burning it.
Healthy looking bugger.
Yep, I was just burning it.
Decent fish.
Yep. We're over here, boys and girls.
See, there's an option these fish don't have on Lake Panasoffkee that they do on a lot of your northern lakes and even some of the lakes in Florida, is when it gets cold and this barometric pressure, can't talk, my lips are frozen, kicks up, fish will tend to go deep, but there is no deep water on this lake. If there is, I don't know where it's at. It's literally like 3-4 feet deep almost everywhere you go. But so far here, they're biting. I just jumped a little tiny one off of the boat right before that on a spinnerbait. We're getting bit though. It could definitely be worse. Got one?
I don't know.
Yep.
Yep.
Bob's whacking them.
Huge.
The giant.
Giant. The little guy.
Little guy.
Even those little guys hit
Yeah.
pretty darn hard.
He's just a baby. Can't feel my fingers.
Nope.
I wouldn't even know if I had a hook stuck in them. They're on the lipless bite.
Yep.
Little tiny guy. It could be worse. We could be getting 0 bites today, which can happen sometimes on these Florida lakes when it gets cold like this.
I don't know if it happens here. On this.
I think it happens everywhere. It's usually the first couple of cold fronts don't seem to shut them down.
Not the same fish.
Damn it, Bob! I'm just kidding.
bit at the boat. I was almost pulling this thing up. What's going on over there? That big bird diving?
Oh, yep, on that thumper. Oh, it's pulling good. Oh, watch out, it's underneath you. On the thumper.
Oh, all right. Oh.
I paused it and he came up and ate it. So they don't just hit a lipless.
I think we're on them.
Couple pounds on the thumper.
Huh? We're on them.
Slow rolling it.
Got him on a worm?
Yeah, on my thumper, speed worm type. Just slow rolling it underwater.
What size weight you got on it?
3/16.
Yeah, put one on if you want.
I'm sure you can rattle trap.
Well, no, you have a rod rigged for it.
Oh,
If he gets another one,
yeah.
Yeah, one fish is not a...
yeah.
Gotta get some fish.
I think we're on him though. This is the spot.
A lot of people have been sending me pictures of fish that they're catching on the thumper,
Yeah.
and I appreciate all that. These crazy fish. But they're still
Going
schooling.
the wrong way.
Yeah, they're out here, they're schooling.
They're schooling.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They didn't eat your rattle trap just now?
No. Very weird.
This is where they were schooling last time I was here. That was a pretty big shad they were blowing up on.
That thing jumped like 3 feet out of the water. The one did.
Wouldn't you?
Yeah, I guess I would too.
Was that one just blew up right there?
Right here. That looks like a big fish.
Got him? We got schooling fish.
And 30 below.
It's 12 degrees below freezing and the fish are schooling.
Long schooner there.
Could you go to a rattle trap?
Rattle trap. I think they'll hit anything.
Yeah, these are a little bit too big.
I might throw the plopper.
They're schooling. This could be good. If I could feel my fingers, it would be awesome.
Really?
Can't feel my finger. My glove got wet.
Oh.
And I was like, man, my fingers stopped hurting. And then I realized it was because they were freezing.
Don't you have another pair?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'll just take them off. God,
He hammered that thing.
jeez.
He just
I was
drilled
not
that
expecting
thing.
that.
Another whopper flopper.
No, that was on the 13 fishing dual pitch.
He hammered that thing.
If I'd have missed that fish, I'd have thought it was a giant. One just blew up behind the boat.
No kidding.
Yeah. He crushed it. Scared me. Wasn't expecting that. The winter topwater bite.
How about that?
Yeah.
Who'd have thunk it?
Oh, there's spinnerbait.
Single fish.
When I stopped reeling it, right here. Well, you know, we're not catching some big fish, but we've seen some big fish blow up.
That one's huge.
We've now caught them on a lipless crankbait, a couple different brands of them, spinnerbait. Caught one on my thumper. What else? Chatterbait,
Chatterbait, worm, yeah.
whopper plopper,
Whopper flopper.
dual pitch.
They're prickle. They're hitting everything.
Could very, very well not catch any. I mean, this is our first major cold front. We didn't all last winter. Another one blew up. We didn't have a single day this cold, which we really need some cold weather like this. But these fish are active. Maybe they just haven't shut down yet.
Yeah.
We are in the. Oh, there's another spinner. Ooh, another spinnerbait one. My drag. Oh, it's a big old pickerel. Big chain pickerel love these spinnerbaits too. This like has some giant chain pickerel.
I know.
They're not hitting like your typical. That's like a northern pike. Good Lord, look at this thing.
That thing is huge. Big pickerel.
It's a giant pickerel.
That is a big pickerel right there.
Good Lord.
Holy cow.
This is a southern pike.
Whoa, that is a big one.
Up in Minnesota, we call this a pike. That was a bad Minnesota accent. Look how big that chain pickerel is. Tried to take my spinnerbait with him. Oh, man. Don't. Usually I completely can't grab around this one. It's so big. That one?
Yeah.
Lipless?
Lipless.
Oh, I got one on the jabberjaw.
Oh, you got a double.
Ooh, mine's pulling pretty good.
Not bad.
A double. A Barney Rubble double. That's on the new jabberjaw crankbait from 13. Hold on one second here. Where's that chunky. I swear those fish that are blowing up are bigger. Or they're just throwing a lot of water and they look bigger. Good Lord, these hooks. Jabberjaw. And the lipless. A double. Probably caught about 15 today or so, haven't we?
Yeah, I'm double digits, I think.
Yeah, we probably caught more than that then.
Yeah, caught about 20.
So that one I caught was kind of cool because it was on that Jabberjaw 60 from 13. Clacks. Get another one?
Yeah. Small. The hell is he?
There he is.
Hold on. Relax, dude. Yeah, he's rude.
Trying to put a hook in my hand. I just got the feeling back in my fingers, and the first thing I don't want to feel is a hook. That was good.
Get one? Yeah. Here's one.
There you go. Feisty. So they're fat, aren't they?
They are fat. They're healthy looking fish.
His mouth's pinned closed. Oh, there he goes. Little chunky fish. Little chunkers. We're about done with Lake Panasoffkee today. Froze our butts off in Florida. I say it's Florida cold a lot, but today was just cold. Just cold. It's in the 40s, 50s now probably, isn't it?
Yeah.
The water hasn't warmed up, it's 61. But we did notice on today, every time that sun popped out, we caught fish and wasn't expecting this cloud cover. Every time it got cloudy or anything like that, the fish kind of stopped biting. But we've caught over 20. Not sure how many we caught. We didn't catch anything big, 2.5 pounds, but we caught them on everything. Lipless, chatterbait, Caught a couple or one on the thumper. What else? Topwater. We caught him on a dual pitch.
Whopper plopper.
The whopper plopper. The dual pitch from 13 fishing. I even caught one on that jabberjaw crankbait from 13. I think we caught the most of them on a lipless though. I mean, burning it. Bob's shoulder's gonna fall off.
Yes.
Burning that over this grass.
And we caught 3 different kinds of.
Yeah, and we caught some big chain pickerel and a mudfish. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next time.